In this video, we will see how to set up colors, okay? Because our goal is to add this title, okay, and this description, okay? But as you can see, here we have this color and also this red color for count crossings, okay? So in order to add this title and description, what we need to do first is to add a color, okay? So here, if we come on this asset, what we want to do here for this accent color, we can use this accent color or we can create our own, okay? So for the sake of this video, we're gonna to create our own color. So if we do a right click here, as you can see, we can create a new color set, okay? So if we click on this color set, as you can see, it will give us the ability to name it, okay? For our case, we will name it, for the first one, we will name it my accent color. And we want to create another one, so right click, new color set, and for this one we want to call it my primary color. Okay, perfect. Now for this accent color, okay, the accent color is this one, this red color. So what we want to do here, as you can see, we have the inner appearance and dark appearance. So this inner appearance is when our app is on light mode, and this dark is when the app is on dark mode, okay? So if we come here and we click on this inner appearance and we toggle this, okay, as you can see here, we have the ability to provide a code for the color, okay? And in our case, the code for this color is going to be FFF 6666, okay? Hit enter, and as you can see here, we have this color, okay? And we want to do the same thing for this primary color, okay? Because the primary color is the color you guys can see on this welcome to, okay? So if we come on this my primary color, we want to do the same thing. We click on this inner appearance, and here the color we want to remove this, okay? And the color we want is on this 398092. So 398092, and if we hit on enter, as you can see, we have now a primary color, okay? So now that we are well set, the next thing we are going to do, we're going to add this title and this description. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.